They say from time to time it lowers down your blood pressure, and it actually does from taking beetroot juice. This beetroot box is from Costco. They are already peeled, cooked and ready to be used in smoothies, soups, salads and much more. There's 4 packs inside. Each contains around 5 beetroots. Just Google it up guys and check out the benefits of beetroot. Easily can be teared apart and eaten. The powerful Ninja Blast is suitable for it too. You can easily make beetroot juice using the Ninja Blast. Guys, add beetroot to your diet food list. Stay healthy, keep well, peace.